What's it got, stuntman? Starting to rip now. So we're just going to feed her some nails and some marbles and screws and start her up and see what happens. Feed her a couple of marbles. Nails and screws. Okay guys, we drained all the oil out of the Malibu. She did. Oh, perfect. Perfect. Welcome folks to the channel, and today we're going to destroy this 2004 Subaru Legacy Outback. Okay, I know a lot of you don't like seeing this, but it's going to the crusher. Okay, I'm hauling off a bunch of cars to the crusher, get some money together so I can restore my other cars. I've had this for about 6 months. Bought it off a friend of mine. It's got a blown head gasket. It will run, but I forgot for how long. 5 minutes, 10 minutes before it overheats. So we're just gonna drive the crap out of it. We're gonna do a neutral drop parody, and we're gonna do the rocking horse. Now I got he has graduated from a wannabe stuntman to the Axeman. Okay. So the last two weren't that great on the rocking horse, which is forwards and backwards. So I'm going to drive it. We're going to go backwards and forwards till something snaps or blows. And then we're going to rev the hell out of the engine, redline it in the ketchup to the engine craters. If that don't work, we're going to do what we did before, drain the oil out of it, and blow it up, seize it up that way. Okay, I've had this for about 6 months, up for sale for somebody that wanted a fixer-upper. No takers. So it sat around here for too long. It's going to the crusher. I got a good title. I bought it wrecked here in the front. Actually, the hood flew up, smashed against the windshield, caved in the roof. Nobody wants it because of that. They might have taken it for a head gasket only, but it's got 200,000 miles on it. Nobody has called me for any parts. Okay, might be a little bit hard to rip it around because it's all-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, so it grips really good, which will probably make a good rocking horse. After that, I may zip it around here. We got our own term called ring around the Rosie. Go around this tree, round and around and around. And then after that, we'll have the Axeman take the axe to it. And then we're going to load her on the trailer, bring her to the crusher. So I'll be back in a little bit. Recording, so I'll have to edit that out. But that's it. Stay over there, pup.
oil.
There's the axle. Blew the front tire. I think she seized up, guys. Try it here in a little bit. Okay, folks, we got the return of the Axeman wearing his favorite shirt. Hope you can see that. He's got the axe. You know, whistling diesel only uses a hammer. We use axes over here. So here we go. Oh, it flipped over and busted the other window out.
I meant to do that. Magic trick.
Well, you're 1 for 1.
Yep, I meant to do that.
Okay. Here we go.
Australian style.
Australian style. Oh, 2 for 2. Almost hit the cameraman. Watch out, pup. Pup! Get over here. Okay, here we go. Number 3. Oh, 3 for 3. Got the back one and 2 over here, or 3 over here.
Another Australian style.
Oh, 4 for 4. The Axeman is getting good, folks. We promoted him from stuntman to junior stuntman to the Axeman. He's 4 for 4, folks.
One-handed.
One-handed. Oh! Oh, but he
broke the axe.
Oh, broke the axe. It looks like it might still be throwable.
One-handed.
5 for 5. We got two to go. We got more of a hatchet. More of a hatchet, man. We'll have to buy another axe unless somebody wants to donate one. Here we go. Oh, we missed. Oh, it bounced off.
Get splinters.
He's throwing gutter balls here, folks. Oh, puppy, quiet.
Radio edit.
He wants me to edit it, folks. Oh, there we go. Okay, 5. We got 1 more to go. We got the big kahuna in the back. He's gonna really heave on it. Oh, dead on. Okay, folks, that's it for the glass. We're trying to get another car running, junker, that we're gonna haul to smash this one up a little bit, make it real pretty for the crusher. We'll be back. Okay, guys, we got her filled up with junk. The crusher said that as long as it's a car part, they'll take it. So we got it filled with all a bunch of plastics and some radiators and stuff. And we're gonna give it a, Axeman's gonna give it a few smashes with the sledgehammer. Steve, you wanna?
All-wheel drive.
Here, do this. Do the 2 doors and fender. Do the other side. It's going over the crusher, guys. It don't matter if she's dented up or anything, so might as well make her look mean. Looks like it had a hard life. We broke the axe, so we got to use a sledgehammer. Okay, she's off to the crusher. skills. Okay guys, we got an extra bonus. We're going to blow this Ford motor up. She's got 300,000 miles on it. That's it. Yeah, she had no belt on it. The alternator's off, therefore the belt's off. She was pouring water out of here, but she's dead. That was it for the Ford. Like I said, 300,000 miles on her. She was real smoky when I first got her. That's why the engine's no good. So I think that'll be it for this truck. A little extra bonus.